Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. First of all you have to do is open your Windows settings, then click on System, swipe down just a bit until you see Recovery, click on Recovery, and from here you will see Advanced Setup. So you have to click on Restart Now. So simply I will click on Restart Now, click on Restart Now. Now I have to click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then you have to select UEFI Firmware Settings. Click on it and click on Restart once again. Now this page will open. This is your BIOS of your motherboard. All you have to do is go to the boot on this section, click on boot and find Secure Boot. Double click on Secure Boot, and you have to make sure that your Secure Boot has been enabled. Now once you've enabled that, you have to go to your settings. Now you have to go to your miscellaneous, and then you have to select this Intel Platform Trust Technology, which is also called PTT. So if you have Intel, it will call PTT, but if you're using another processor, then it may call PTM or anything else. So if for the Intel users, it's called PTT, and all you have to do is if it's disabled, all you have to do is click on Enable. Once you've enabled that, you have to press the Escape button on your keyboard. I have already saved it, so I will click on Yes. Now my PC will restart, and that's how you can solve this error on Valorant. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.